Then there are also arguments like this, white man can have a white god, why can't a black man have a black god? So in the southern churches in United States, the big debate happening is God, white or black. Actual debates happening. You know, in the previous election they tried to settle that affair. Didn't work. But, you know, we in India know God is Brahman. Because, you know, those people don't know. Because to those places, God sent only His messenger, son or somebody else and somebody else. Here, God Himself arrived 9 times. Especially Indians who are living outside the country are super proud about this. God came to our country 9 times. So I keep reminding them, that is because God wouldn't trust anybody else with Indians. He knew His son, His messenger, nobody would be good for the Indians. So He came hands-on Himself. 9 times. And He failed. See, 9 or 10 times you can debate, failure is not debatable, isn't it? It's visible. Hello? Failure is very visible, isn't it?